Today we're going to talk about scientific notations. We're going to talk about how scientific notations be transferred into a regional number. So for example, we all know that a scientific notation is like this, where 4.5 times 10 raised to the first power. So how do we convert this into a standard number? So in order to do that, as we can see here, we have multiplication and there's a 10. And this is just invisible, right? It's just similar to 4.5 multiplied by 10. So what do we do here? We're just going to move this to the right. So we have 45. If we look for here, we have 0. That means we're just going to move to the right one time. So how about this problem? Let's say we have 2.3 times 10 raised to the 2. So how do we do this? So again, this is just basic multiplication, and now we see a power of 2. That means we're going to move to the right 2 times. So we have 2.3. Let's move 1. We bring a 0. If we move another, we get another 0. So that means we have 230. We're just going to move 1 and 2. Since the decimal is here, this is just gone, right? Now let's try another problem. Let's say we have 7.4 times 10 raised to the third power. Now what we're going to do is move it 3 times. So we have 7.4. We're going to move 1. So there's a decimal here. If we move another, we will have a 0 here. And the decimal is here, so we move 2 times. If we move 1 again, we got this, and the decimal is here. We're gonna add 0 there, but this is insignificant, so we got 7,400. So the decimal is here earlier, so we just move 1, 2, and 3. So now the decimal is here, so we got 7,400 in that. Now let's see, if we have 2.7 times 10 raised to the 5th power. So we're just going to move to the right 5 times. So we have 2.7. We're going to move here 1, 2. So we're going to add 3, 4, and 5. We're going to add another. So this is 270,000, right? And there's a decimal here that we don't need. So this is the standard number for this scientific notation. Now let's go to harder part. How about 8.36 times 10 raised to the 7th power? So we're going to move so many more. We're going to move 7 times. This is the first one. Second one, we're not gonna add 0 yet. Third one, we're gonna add 0. Fourth one, we're gonna do 0. Fifth one, another 0. 6 and 7, we're gonna add 0. Now what is this? We have 1,000 here. We got this. So we got 83,600,000. So this is the answer for this scientific notation. Now let's try another problem. What if we have 4.154 times 10 raised to the 9th power? This is large. This is just times 10 raised to 9 is just like giga. Yeah, it's giga in metric prefix. So how do we convert this? So let's just write this first. We're going to move to the right 9 times. So we get 1, 2, 3. We're not gonna add 0 yet. 4, we're gonna add 0. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Finally we got it. We're gonna have thousands here, here. So this is basically billion. 4 billion, like this. There's a 3 zeros here. We have 3 zeros. Yeah. So this is basically the answer for this scientific notation. It's clearly a large number that we need to do the scientific notation in order for us to not to get dumb for our mind. So let's try a basic number. So let's say we have 3.165 times 10 raised to the third. So try this first and show me the answer. So the answer here, we're going to move 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So it's just basically 3,165. So that's basically it for this video.